Step 1 is to take this link here and copy it. Step 2 is to paste that link into this tool. And step 3 is to take this new shortened link and start getting sales and commissions like the ones that you see here on the screen. In today's video, I want to share with you a Clickbank affiliate marketing method for beginners. You can get started on this today. It does not require a website. It's extremely simple. It's probably one of the easiest Clickbank affiliate marketing methods that you can possibly imagine. So stick with me throughout this video. I'm going to show you every single step. If you're new to my channel and you're not yet subscribed, then let's change this. Please go ahead and click subscribe just below this video. I publish regular videos on this channel about Clickbank, about affiliate marketing and free traffic. Thank you so much. Let's get into the video. So the first thing that you guys will want to do is register for Clickbank if you're not yet a Clickbank member. And after you're inside Clickbank, go ahead and click Marketplace at the very top, and that will allow you to look through the products. You can search through different product categories. For the method that I'm going to share with you today, you do not need to choose any particular niche. You can literally go into any of these categories. So what I want to do is show you how to find the best offers regardless of category. So just go ahead and click Advanced Search here, and under Advanced Search, choose results per page 50 so that it's easier for us to search. And after that, just click Search. This will bring up all of the products. You can see all 3,444 products that are currently listed on Clickbank, regardless of the category. The other thing that you want to do under sort results, you want to click Gravity, and that will bring up the products that are converting the best for affiliates like us, so that we can make the most amount of money per conversion and per click that we send. The main things to watch out for when you're selecting an offer to promote on Clickbank is the dollars per conversion. So this top one, for example, offers $44.97 on average as a commission per sale. So on average, for every conversion that you send through, you are looking to make about $45 in commissions, which is quite good. The other thing that I like to have a look at is this Gravity, 408.88. So this means that roughly about 400 affiliates have made sales for this product in the last 6 weeks, and that's really good because it means that it's converting for a huge number of different affiliates. The next thing that I want to do is preview the sales page. To do that, you can simply right-click on the name of the offer and open it in a new tab, and that will show you what the potential visitors to this offer will see when you start referring this offer to them. I'm going to show you step by step how to start sending a lot of traffic to this offer very quickly. And what I can see here, that this is essentially a custom keto diet plan. This is kind of like an offer where people are offered to download a custom keto diet plan, and they can then, if you send somebody via your affiliate link to this offer, they can scroll down, click here, get your custom keto diet, and they will be asked to fill out a number of questions. Are you male, female, your weight, your height, your level of activity? And at the end of all of these, the person will be asked to enter their email address. Like this, after entering all the information, that says your 60-day personal keto diet is ready, so click here for your plan. And the prospective customers will be asked to enter the name and email like this and get the custom keto plan. Now this is actually really cool because it means that the vendor of this custom keto diet offer will get the email, and they will be promoting this offer on your behalf with your affiliate link via email for many days, for many months, until the person actually ends up buying, and you will get credited with these commissions. So these are really good offers to promote. And to get your affiliate link, to which we will need to send traffic, you just need to click this promote button, which will open up a window similar to this where you can enter or confirm your account nickname, click generate hop links, and that will give you the actual link which we'll use in the next step. So go ahead and grab this hop link like this. So we'll just select it all, click copy. You can even test it by pasting this hop link into your browser just to make sure that it actually works. And you can see that this is now getting referred correctly to this page, and I can see $hop equals my custom Clickbank ID. So this is all good. Next, you will want to head over to bit.ly.com like this, bit.ly.com, and click this button here that says get started for free and create your free account. Don't worry about these paid plans. Just scroll down here, and where it says interested in our free plans, sign up for free here. So just go ahead and sign up for a free account. That's the account that I use. Inside your dashboard, you'll want to click this button here that says create. That will open up this window where you can shorten your link. Now, the reason why we're doing this is because the link that you get from Clickbank is quite ugly. I mean, if you look at it, it's 31AD, 8OE. It's very hard for people to enter it into their browser when we start sharing it online. It's hard for them to trust it because it looks like some kind of a spammy link. So you want to use bit.ly for the purposes of creating or shortening this URL, okay? So where it says paste long URL, you want to paste your link like this, and that will create a short version of your link. Now you will want to go down here, and where it says customize back half, you will want to delete all of these and try to create a link that is easy to type in and remember for people. As an example, we can try to enter instant-custom-keto. So the link that we will be sharing with people will be bit.ly/instant-custom-keto. So this is a lot easier to remember and to type in. So then click save here at the bottom. If for some reason you get any error messages at all, that's totally okay. That means that probably this affiliate link has already been taken. So just keep changing it. For example, you can change it to something like quick one, custom keto, or quick custom keto diet, maybe like this. And then once you hit save and once it's available, you'll see a confirmation like this. Link has been edited, which is a really good sign. So then what you need to do is click copy on this link, and let's just double check that this is actually working and redirecting correctly. And we can see here, yep, this has been redirected correctly. So we now have a nice looking affiliate link, and we can go ahead and start driving traffic to it. Now, before we jump into the actual traffic methods, what I want to make sure is clear is that you can actually use this with any niche and any product. This is not just for the keto diet niche. You can do this with any of these other offers, a diabetes offer. You can do this with a numerology offer or a woodworking offer. You can promote products in any niche using the methods that I'm about to show you. All right, so for traffic, we're going to be using Instagram. Instagram is a gold mine of traffic. You can get traffic really quickly from Instagram, and you can do this starting as soon as today. If you follow all of the steps that I'm about to show you, then probably in the next 24 to 48 hours, you can start driving traffic from Instagram. And here is exactly how to do this step by step. So we will want to be using this search box, and the goal for us is to find influencers that can share our message and our affiliate link with their audience. And you can do this using hashtags, or you can do this by searching profiles directly. So first of all, let's talk about how to do this using hashtags. So let's type in hashtag like this, and then we can start typing in things like keto or diet, and this will bring up the different hashtags that have been used. So if I start typing in keto, I can see there are 20 million posts that have been tagged with keto. There are keto recipes, hashtag keto diet, hashtag. So let's choose this hashtag keto diet, for example, and that will bring up all of the posts. So at the top, we get the top posts, and then a little bit below, we get most recent posts like this. And our goal right now is to find influencers, right? So we need to find out who made these posts. So let's right click each one of them and open it in a new tab like this. And we can then take a look at who has actually posted this post. So this one has been posted by this profile called Keto Meal Recipe. So we can take a quick look at this profile. We can see that they've got 683,000 followers. We can also see that they are already promoting something here, many.link Keto Meal Recipe, which is good news for us because it means that they might be willing to share our affiliate link there for a period of time as well. Next, you want to check engagement on their post. So this one has had 5,514 likes and 26 comments. Okay, so they're getting thousands of likes on each of these posts, so that's good. It means they've got a pretty active audience. So then let's take a look at the other posts. So this one has been posted by the Endless Meal. All right, they've also got a link here in the profile. Next one, Keto Nurture. Let's take a look at this one. Yep, they've also got a link in the profile. So this is all really good news. It means they are already using their profile to promote certain things. So the next thing that we will want to do is we will want to contact these profiles. So next thing that I want to show you is just how to find profiles using the profile search tool. So instead of putting in a hashtag like this first, like we did before, you can just start typing in the actual keyword. So like this, see, keto, and this brings up the profile. So you can also just open up these profiles directly like this. Then let's just open up a few more. Okay, and you can do the same thing. You sort of just investigate what they're doing with their profile. Are they getting a lot of engagement on their posts or not? So all of these seem to be getting thousands of clicks, which is really good. There's even a profile here that we found, and this is always really, really good news. We found a profile that currently does not have any links in here in the description at all. So it means that probably many Instagrammers don't really know how to promote affiliate products on their profile. So this is really good because this is an income opportunity for them. We're going to offer them an opportunity to do a shout out. So we'll want to pay for a shout out. A shout out is simply a sponsored post that directs people to click the link. And generally, if you get a shout out, let's say from this profile, what they will do is they will put your link, your affiliate link. See where it says here, click now. They'll put your affiliate link in there for a period of time, let's say for 24 hours or 48 hours. This is how shout outs normally work. And you will then need to provide an image similar to this with some text. So let's open this one up, okay? So you will just provide an image like this, and then you will provide this text, and they will then click the link in bio. So any clicks or any visitors to this profile that take a look at this profile within the next 24 or 48 hours after your post, your sponsored post goes up on the profile, anytime they click this link here, they will be taken via your affiliate link to the product that you are promoting. So you will want to send a direct message to the Instagram profile. The message can be as simple as like this: hi, was wondering if you do shout outs. If you do, what is the price for an image-based shout out? Now, you won't get replies from every single profile that you contact. So you will want to contact probably anywhere from 20 to 50 profiles as soon as possible, because some of them will come back and the price will be too high. Some of them will just not reply at all. And you will want to compare the prices that you're getting from the different profiles. Another place to buy shoutouts is shoutcard.com. So here the influencers from social media, they will actually get onto Shoutcard, and if they want to sell shoutouts, they want to monetize their profile, they register here. And you can search them by keywords. So you can type in something like diet, and that will bring up all of the profiles with the diet keyword in them. For example, this one here, look at this, 236,000 followers. They will charge $12 to post your shout out. So this is also a really good way to find profiles that potentially you can work with. So send them this message, negotiate with them, talk to them, find out how much they're charging, compare what other profiles will be charging, and then you will need to provide the image for them to post as well as a little bit of wording. So let's go through step by step how to do that. To create the image, you can use a tool such as Canva. So just go create a design, and in the search bar, you can start typing in Instagram. That'll come up with the right dimensions for an Instagram post. You can use these built-in photos if you want. So you can just search for kiddo and see if any of these images that come up are suitable, or otherwise you can use a free website such as Pexels, for example, or a Pixabay, and you can search for any kiddo images there. So for example, on Pixabay, I've typed in kiddo, and I can see here are different kiddo images that I can use. For example, this is kiddo breakfast. Okay, so I can just grab this image, I can download it for free. I can create a post that looks similar to this. Then I will send that image to the owner of the Instagram profile, who will do a shout out for us. Okay, they will give us payment details, so you will need to make payment. Then you will need to write up a text that's similar to this. Just see what kind of text and what kind of images have previously done well on this profile, which ones are getting the most number of likes. Okay, and you can copy your text literally after this. They all sort of follow a similar profile. There are a few sentences, and then it says check our link in bio and start now. And once this profile posts your post and changes this link in their bio to your affiliate link, literally straight away you can start getting traffic to your affiliate link that will then go via your affiliate link. So this link here, okay, this link here will appear in the profile of the Instagram influencer with whom you're working. They will just insert that in here. This is how it usually works. And anytime someone ends up clicking this link, they will of course be taken via your affiliate link to this offer. They will click through, and anytime they buy something, you will get credited with a commission for that purchase. And if you guys are interested in checking out my affiliate marketing course, there is currently a 35% discount. So you just use the coupon YouTube, use that coupon code in the checkout to grab your 35% off. Here are 2 videos that you can watch next that will show you more ways of making money on Clickbank and getting traffic to your Clickbank affiliate links. If you're not yet a subscriber, then please click subscribe just below this video so we can stay connected. As soon as I upload my next video, you'll get a notification. Thank you so much. My name is Kononenko. I'll see you in the next video.